Okay, thank you for coming by to this class and to this. What I'm gonna do is to kind of have an introduction to what a rational expression is, and we're gonna learn how to work with them, like multiply, divide, add, subtract, a rational expression. And I don't know if we're gonna see how to graph them, but this is the main idea, guys, of what I need to do. Okay, whenever we are, guys, trying to simplify a rational expression, okay, but what is a rational expression? Perhaps I mentioned it before I start recording the video. Rational expression, guys, is just a simple expression with a fraction, where this fraction, the numerator, guys, is a polynomial, and the denominator is another polynomial. Okay, this is the formal definition for rational expression. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna try to simplify that. Okay, what I mean with that? First of all, guys, if you see here, what we got in the numerator, we got a polynomial, is or rather a trinomial, quadratic trinomial, and in the denominator we only have a binomial, two terms, binomial, trinomial. Okay, what are you gonna try to do, guys, is you're gonna factor. Okay, this is the idea. You're gonna factor as much as you can. Once you factor, something must be simplified. Okay, this is the idea. You're gonna need to simplify something. Okay, the numerator, guys, forget about the denominator. How would you factor the numerator? Can you factor that out? Can you represent x squared plus 7x plus 12 as a product, as a multiplication? Sure. Okay, I'm gonna factor that numerator. Which method can I use to factor this out?
The big X method.
Thank you, the big X method. I'm gonna use that. Okay, a times c, this is a, b, c. A times c is 12. Okay, let's copy that. It's 12. And what is b? A, b, it's gonna be 7. Okay, two numbers, guys, that you can multiply and get 12. I need the two numbers
4
here.
and 3.
Okay, 4 and 3, that could work. Okay, using 4 and 3, do you think it is possible, guys, to get 7? Okay, let me put 4 and 3, and I'm gonna see if it is possible for me to get 12. 4 and 3, can I get 7? Yes, right? How? By adding both of them. Positive 4 and positive 3 is positive 7. Excellent, guys. Okay, this is how can I factor this out. Okay, I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. Okay, x squared is just x and x. And now I'm going to include this. Okay, plus 4. Okay, plus 4. And the other one, which is going to be plus 3. Okay, plus 3. This is, guys. Okay, I just factored the numerator. Now, guys, we need to try to factor the denominator, or let's see if we can factor it. If it is not necessary, we don't do it. X plus 4, guys, can I factor that? No, that is just a prime expression. Okay, I'm gonna copy that, x plus 4. Okay, I repeat, I just factor the numerator using the big X method, and I just copy the denominator. Now, guys, can you see something here that can be simplified? I mean, do you have something in the numerator that is equals to the denominator, or something that you can use the property in? What is this, guys? X plus 4 times x plus 3 over x plus 4. Can I do something with these two expressions? X plus 4. Yes, guys, I can simplify that out. Okay, I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, these guys, this is the property. I have the same quantity in the numerator, okay, and I have the same quantity in the denominator. I can cancel them out. Okay, that is gonna be equals to 1, right? Something divided by something with the same quantity is equals to 1. And what I'm gonna get, guys? Just this, just the x plus 3. That's the only thing that I'm gonna get. Okay, and this is going to be my answer. Take a look. Instead of having a trinomial over a binomial, I just have a binomial, because something's pretty simpler. Okay, let's try to simplify this. Again, this is a rational expression. And what is a rational expression, guys? It's just a ratio of two polynomials. I mean, a fraction with the numerator with a polynomial and the denominator with another polynomial. That is. Okay, let's try to do that. First of all, this numerator, can I factor this, guys? Can I represent this as a multiplication? X squared minus 25. I cannot use a big X method. No, no, no. Okay, I can't. Greatest common factor. This is 1 and this is 25. No. What is this, guys? Difference. Difference of squares, right? And how can I factor this difference of squares, guys? X squared. How can I factor X squared, guys? X and X, right?
X and X.
Thank you. How can I factor 5? 25, sorry, I'm giving you the answer.
You just split it in half. Use 5 and
Thank you,
5.
thank
One
you.
is negative.
5 and 5.
Negative.
And what about the sign?
One is negative, the other one is positive.
Okay, or one negative and positive is the same. Okay, the order of the product doesn't change the result. And I just copy X minus 5, guys. In the denominator, there is nothing I can do but just to copy that. X minus 5. Okay, now having this, guys, this expression, can I cancel something out? Can I simplify something? Why?
You can cancel the first X plus 5 and then the X minus 5.
Okay, be careful. Excellent. We can cancel the X minus 5 and the X minus 5. Okay, the same quantity. Okay, X minus 5 over X minus 5 is equals to 1, but we don't need the 1, guys. We don't put it, right? Okay, what is going to be my final answer? Okay, let's move on here a little bit. What is going to be alive? Okay, this is dead. Just X plus 5. Okay, this is my final answer. Okay, let's try to solve this. Again, I have this rational expression and I need to simplify it, okay? Let's start, guys, taking one step at a time, guys. Whenever you're gonna work in mathematics, guys, try to do it everything in order. We have some patterns, we can have different ways to do something, but let's try to be, kind of organized, taking just one thing at a time. This, how can I factor this x squared plus 5x plus 6, guys? This is a quadratic trinomial. How can I factor it? This one. By using the big X method, right?
Yes.
Okay, A times C here. 1 times 6. It's going to be 6. And what is B, guys?
5.
5, thank you. How can I factor 6, guys? Two numbers that I multiply and get 6?
3. 3 and
3
2.
times 2 and 6 times 1, but a 6 times 1 is not going to work. Okay, using 3 and 2, guys, can I get 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Positive, negative, negative, positive.
Positive and positive.
Excellent, excellent. Positive 3 and positive 2 give me positive 5. Excellent. Okay, we just factor that out. Okay, let's copy that. Okay, x squared is x, and we need to include this plus 3, okay, plus 3 and plus 2. Okay, guys, I just factored my numerator. Okay, let's go to the denominator. Can we factor this? In this case, guys, yes. Okay, this is the first time that we're gonna try to factor the denominator. How can I factor this? This is just a binomial. I cannot use the big X method, greatest common factor, no. What is this, guys? Difference of squares, right? Okay, how can I factor this, guys? X squared, guys, how would you factor it?
X and X.
X and X. How would you factor 9?
3 and 3.
3 and 3, thank you. How can you get negative?
Positive and
One positive and the other is negative. Excellent. Okay, this is what we got, guys. Now, having these guys here on our hands, can we, cancel, simplify something?
we can cancel X plus 3.
X plus 3, guys, divided by X plus 3 is 1. Okay, that is, I can get rid of this. This is just 1. And what I'm going to get, what is the only thing that is going to be alive? X plus 2 over X minus 3. Okay, in this case, guys, Mr. Can I cancel the X and X? No, guys. Okay, it doesn't work like that. You have to have the same thing like this and the other thing in the denominator. In this case, guys, we're going to leave it like that. Okay, this is going to be my final answer. forgotten to record the video. Okay, I'm gonna use a big X method to factor this out. Okay, 24 AC, B is -2. Okay, I can factor 24 by using 6 and 4. Excellent. How can I get -4, guys? By adding or subtracting 6 and 4. I need
It's
to get
-2.
-2. Okay, the -6 and the +4.
-6.
Check it out. -6 plus 4 is -2. And -6 and +4, guys, is -24. Everything, guys, is working out. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we're gonna say, okay, two parentheses, x squared is x, and I'm gonna include this, minus x plus 4. That's it, all over this denominator. And which method can I use to factor this denominator out?
Big X method.
X method again. Okay, let's do it. -4, okay, is AC, is -4. B, what is B, guys?
3.
3.
3 is 3. And now, how can I factor -4, guys? I can say, I'm gonna make a mistake.
4 and
2
1.
times. Oh, excellent. That is 4 in 1, but it's gonna make a mistake. 2 and 2, guys. 2 and 2 is 4, but using 2 and 2, I will never get 3. Okay, 2 and 2 is not gonna work. Okay, we can use 4 and 1 too. Okay, 4 and 1 2. Okay, using 4 and 1, how can I get 3, guys? By subtracting, right? 4 minus 1. Okay, positive 4 minus 1 is 3. And take a look at minus and positive here. I get this minus. Yeah. Okay, everything is working out. Okay, let's do that. What I'm gonna get here, guys? X and X. And I just need to include this. Plus 4. And the other one, guys? Minus 1. Okay, let's continue. This, guys, given this expression, is there something that you can simplify, cancel, or I don't know? Help me out, please. This over this. Can we simplify something? Can we cancel something out?
X plus 4.
X plus 4 over x plus 4, guys, is just 1. Okay, all of that is equals to 1. Okay, I cancel that out. Okay, what I'm gonna get at the end, just x minus 6 over x minus 1, right? This one. Okay, this is my final answer. Okay, it's right. Okay, thank you guys for coming to today's class. I'm gonna see you in the next week. Thank you. Bye.